Today I'm playing 100 years of guitar licks that started in 1920 with the one who started the fire, Eddie Lang. The first guitar hero, elegant, fearless, the godfather of shred, Django Reinhardt. The elegant pioneer, the single note prophet, Charlie Christian. The studio wizard, the architect of modern guitar tone, Les Paul. From here on, every decade has 3 players, into the 60s. He descended from a spaceship with a Strat and changed everything, Jimi Hendrix. The sorcerer, the wild hand behind British blues rock, Jeff Beck. The slow hand king, pure blues power with stadium authority, Eric Clapton. Guitar gets heavier, it's the 70s. The alchemist, dark, mystical, unstoppable, Jimmy Page. The master of disaster, the one who knocks, the man with the fireball tone, Ritchie Blackmore. The Iron Man, the fire of every heavy riff since, Tony Iommi. Now guitar explodes, it's the 80s. The game changer, the smile behind the lighting, Eddie Van Halen. The quiet duke, the hand behind the anthems, Mark Knopfler. The prodigy, the legend, the angel of heavy metal, Randy Rhoads. A new generation takes over, onto the 90s. The melodic astronaut, the silver surfer of rock guitar, Joe Satriani. The alien virtuoso, the one who broke every rule, Steve Vai. The torchbearer, the last flame of the old gods, Slash. Everything shifts again. The 2000s arrive. The sonic rebel, the disruptor, the faint-hearted nightmare, Tom Morello. The mastermind, symphonic riffs with voltage behind every note, Matt Bellamy. The modern shred prince, fast, flashy, and dramatic, Synyster Gates. Next, the 2010s. One big flame of distortion and soul, Gary Clark Jr. The 8-string oracle, way ahead of the timeline, Tosin Abasi. The Tower Guardian, the man in black at the gates of the blues, Joe Bonamassa. And now the 2020s. The Dragon Rider, the heir of heavy metal guitar, Nita Strauss. The funk machine, his parents named him after a Wolfpack song, Cory Wong. Sicilian virtuoso, fingerstyle fire with impossible precision, Matteo Mancuso. And yeah, I already hear you, where's David Gilmour, Brian May, Angus Young, Gary Moore, Rory Gallagher? I know, there's no way to fit everyone into one video. So tell me in the comments who should be in the next version of this video. And while you're here, watch this next video and you'll learn a couple of tricks on how to play faster. I'll see you there.